Hello and welcome back to the Oven Cook. What I'm going to do today is pork and chicken adobo. Obviously I've got pork's already chopped up. I'm going to chop this bit of chicken breast up. And do it obviously a little bit different because it's Urban's pork and chicken adobo. So I've got some rice to go with it. I've got some spring onions, some new potatoes, carrots and some lettuce. Some snap peas, got garlic, peppercorns, bay leaves, white wine vinegar, soy sauce, oyster sauce and some salt. I don't think I need the salt. So I'll get cracking on it and I'll bring you back in a minute. Cheers. Okay, so we've got a little bit of olive oil. Get our garlic. And what we do, we cook this till it just starts getting a bit of brown on it. And we're going to take it back out again. Also got our pan of water for our bag of rice. So that's going to go in a minute. Okay, so I took our garlic out, which is just started to go a little bit brown, so that's good. Got our little bit more oil in there. Let's put our pork in. Cut our chicken up, take off all these undesirables. And just cut this up to nice bite-sized pieces. Add our chicken. And we'll cook that down until we got a nice bit of colour on it. So we'll see you soon. Okay, so look. Ooh, lovely. Okay. And the meat is just getting a nice bit of colour on it. Add our soy sauce. Oyster sauce. I'll rinse the bottle out of that one, so that'll be our water. Add our peppercorns. Our bay leaves. Give that a little mix up. Get those bay leaves underneath in that lovely oyster and soy sauce. Peppercorns, all lovely. So we'll let that simmer away for a little while and we'll be back in a minute. Okay, so now we've got all this going, I'm going to add some carrots. some potatoes. And our snap peas or snow peas or monge-taut, whatever you want to call it. Give that a little mix in. I know what you're saying, Urban. That's not a pork and chicken adobo. And yeah, you'd be right. And but Urban wouldn't be Urban if he mixed stuff up. So this is my one. So we let that simmer away. And we'll be back soon. Okay, so we're back. That's really hot. So what we do, oh, that's looking lovely. Going to put in our garlic we took out earlier, and some white wine vinegar. So we'll let that simmer away for a little bit longer. Wait for the potatoes and the carrots to, well, not the carrots so much, but the potatoes to soften down a little bit more, and this to reduce down a bit more. And we'll see you back soon. Thank you. Okay, so we're back, and potatoes are cooked, carrots are cooked. So what I'm going to do, turn the heat off, and lay in our lettuce. So what we do, we'll cover this back up, let the heat warm the lettuce through, and we'll be back and have a plate up. So we'll see you soon. Okay, so we're back. We've got a nice bit of chicken and pork adobo, or my adobo. It could be a affritada or machado, I don't know. But anyway, it's got some nice chicken and pork, potatoes and carrots, some lettuce which is wilted down lovely, and garlic and peppercorns and soy sauce and oyster sauce, and it smells amazing. It tastes really lovely. We've got some, I've done it with basmati rice, like the sticky rice. So all I'm going to do with that is get some of our nice sauce. It's in the pan. And our spring onions. I do like a bit of spring onion. Just to finish it off. Quite nice and tasty. The salt didn't make it because that was salty enough, so that didn't make it. So anyway, this is really going to be tasty because I've already had a little taster, so I know it. And so don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one, and see what we come up with, or I come up with. See you soon guys. Cheers. See you later.